baby, it's the sweetest thing, and it don't change.
Everyone, today is Thursday, almost the weekend but not quite. So I am about to cook the kids some food real quick, something quick. We eating spaghetti tonight and we are doing garlic bread. Yeah, I forgot I had bought chips, so I went and bought more chips, but it's all right. Whatever. I bought some Milo's tea. This is the garlic bread that I bought. It got cheese inside. And I just got some ragu sauce. I got 3 of these. Some meat. We put meat in our spaghetti. Spaghetti noodles. And I also bought some field corn. So I'm going to cook this as well. So I gotta take a look. So like I said, today is Thursday and of course I'm at home with the noise.
Bye mommy.
I'm at home with the noise, so excuse the background noise. But tomorrow is Friday and I have to go. I'm gonna leave work around 9 o'clock because the kids are doing the ceremony tomorrow. So I'm gonna leave 9 o'clock and then go up there, and then I'm just gonna go home after that. I'm not gonna go back to work. So I'm looking forward to that because all today, y'all, when I got to work this morning, I guess because it was so early in the morning, all of this was just hurting. So I know my sinus is acting up, and if it continues, I will not be making it to the Christmas party this weekend. It don't even matter though, because I just don't really want to be sick at all. I took sinus medicine last night, and then I took 2 Tylenols today around lunchtime because I was feeling so bad. My head was hurting so bad, but I did get my job finished, but I was not feeling it, y'all. I was in so much pain, and it was so irritating. So yeah, I'm just gonna go ahead and get this spaghetti cooked up for the kids. I'm gonna put some of this in the meat today because I try to use this stuff before it gets old, but this is just some seasoning blend. Basically, I'm just gonna mix this up with my meat once I wring the grease out of it, and then that's all. Yes, get out.
the traveling kind. It's a known fact. Yeah, I know that. Once you've seen all the things, all the places, I hope it means that you'll come home to me. Once you've traveled the world, all the spaces inside your heart. I hope I'll be your end destination. I hope I'll be your life-changing sensation. I hope I'll be something that you won't let go. I'll be your high when you fall down low. I hope I'll be your end destination. You're far away and yet so close. Yeah, I feel that. Yeah, I feel that. Yeah.
Y'all, so now I'm just waiting on the other kids to get home, and then at 5 o'clock, well, about 4:45, I'm gonna leave and go to the meeting that they have at the school for the kids to see what's going on, kind of fundraisers we might be doing and stuff like that. I'm trying to watch Patrol 2. I keep on restarting. Every time I watch it, I start it over. It's a good movie, but yeah. Nova, I'm actually done. I'm actually done cooking, so I'm done just waiting on everything to cool down, and then we're gonna eat when the kids make it here.
Up in space, you're inside the noise.
All right, my favorite people, y'all know I like to talk to y'all before I get home because it's gonna be chaotic. I already know it. So I did want to get something for my plugins at home. I want to get something for my plugins at home, so I ended up getting this one. I wanted to get something like a festive smell, but I didn't really see nothing. Walmart have more variety to choose from, but they wasn't strong enough for me. I didn't really, it wasn't one that I just had to get. Now this one smells really good. I smell the passion fruit and I smell the vanilla. So it's called vanilla passion fruit. And I got one more. I just needed this, but I went ahead and got this. Was what the heck? I got this from this because I wanted to add one in my living room. I have plenty of them, but I don't know where they at. Too lazy to look. I never tried Cozy Place. I have tried Cozy Place. I haven't tried the, I've never tried the air and fabric softener. Refresher, I mean. So this one is coconut and tropical palm. Y'all, it smells really good. So good. All of these smell good though. So that's what I got. I'm gonna go home and put these in right now. Probably I gotta wash my dishes. Get the twins a bath. It's only 6 o'clock, but it's dark. It's I don't know what outside because you know the time to change. So I just left the parent meeting at Nova in the twin school. It went well, and we had ate before I left. I had fed them before I left, so the house was clean before I left. Hopefully it's still clean. I just have to like I said, go home and wash the dishes because I know nobody else ain't gonna do them. I want to do them anyway because it's spaghetti and nobody gonna wash the dishes like I'm gonna wash the dishes. They're not gonna wash them right. So I'm gonna go home and wash my dishes and call it a night.
But feeling like I wasn't good enough. Ain't perfect, you want perfect, so that figures.